In this video, I'm going to show you how to change TaxSlayer package. Now, the first thing that's the most important over here is that you must be inside the return, not on the tax home screen, okay? So I'm currently inside my return over here, and if I actually want to change the package, I have to do the following. I want to go to Help and Support, top right, and then over here, you want to click on I can't find the form I'm looking for. Now, whenever you do this, you want to choose this one at the bottom where it says I need to speak to a representative, and then from here, you have two options, okay? You'll be able to click either on live chat, which you'll be able to upgrade that way, or click on ask a tax pro to actually upgrade that way. So click either of these options and it's going to basically take you over to that specific one, okay? So I'm going to click on this one and it's going to switch me over to premium, as you can see, and I'm going to click on upgrade. Now what this will do here, it's going to switch you over to premium. However, if you're looking for a different package, you can also do that. So over here on the left, you can see on which package you currently are. So if you're not looking for premium, after switching to premium first, you want to go to help and support. Then you want to go to I have a technical question and you want to click on how do I change my package. In here, you want to click on switch package. And then from here, you'll be able to see all the different packages you can actually switch to, and you simply have to select the one that you want to get, okay? So there we go, you have the Simply Free, the Classic, Premium, and Self-Employed. Just select the one that you want. For example, the Classic, you can click on the Switch button, and it's gonna say Success, switch to Classic, and that way you can do it very easily. So that's how to achieve it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.